Hi, lesson S.2.3 Calculate standard deviation from frequency distribution. Sometimes you don't have access to the original data, but you have the frequency distribution data, and you can use that to approximate your standard deviation of the data by just assuming that everything is at the midpoint of the interval. All right, so for example, here I know that there were three somewhere between 40 and 50, so I'm going to pretend these were all at 45, because that's the middle. And these were all at 55, and these were all at 65, 75, and so on. Okay, so I'll just put a label. This is the midpoint of the interval. So using your calculator, now this is the thing you need to figure out in the calculator, is how to enter that there were three at 45. So again, that's your own calculator. You should get mu equals 66.429 and sigma is 12.738. So you do not have to I can't think of any calculators where this didn't work that you have to put like 65, 65, 65, 65 11 times, because you can't count to 11 when you do that. You're going to mess it up. Well, at least I am for sure. So there should be a function somewhere that lets you say, yeah, 65, and there were 11 of those, and 75, there were 4 of those. Okay, so that's it. Pause the video and see if you can figure that out. If you can't, let me know and I'll help you with it. This part B is having done it with, this is the raw data that frequency table came from, and the numbers that you should get. I want you to try this because it's good practice. You get mu equals 66.214 and sigma equals 13.286. So what's the difference between these numbers? Well, the values from the raw data are more accurate. Which makes sense because it's not summarized data. And the value, but having said that, the values from the distribution, the frequency distribution, are a good estimation. They're reasonably close, right? They're not as good. Obviously, you choose to use the raw data if you can, but if you don't have access to it, this is okay. Okay, that's it. Next video is on the normal distribution. See you later.